behind all stories is one's mother's story because hers is where yours begins. A poignant line from Mohsin Hamid's Moth Smoke, signaling the start of our exploration today. In the heart of the Indian subcontinent, a rich literary tradition emerged with the birth of a new nation, Pakistan. This wasn't an abrupt occurrence, but rather a gradual evolution, steeped in the region's historical, political, and cultural nuances. Our journey begins in the late 1940s, following the partition of India and Pakistan. The early Pakistani English literature was primarily in the form of poetry, with pioneers like Tawfiq Rafat, Daud Kamal, and Adrian Hussein. Their work, often reflecting the struggles of a nascent nation, laid the foundation for future generations of writers. The 1960s and 70s brought forth a wave of short stories and novels. Writers like Bapsi Sidhwa and Zulfikar Ghose emerged, their narratives deeply rooted in the socio-political realities of their time. Sidhwa's The Crow Eaters and Ghose's The Murder of Aziz Khan are quintessential examples, painting vivid pictures of post-colonial Pakistani society. As we moved into the 80s and 90s, the Pakistani English fiction landscape further diversified. Talented writers like Hanif Qureshi and Sarah Suleri Goodyear graced the literary scene, their work often challenging traditional norms and exploring themes of identity, migration, and diaspora. The new millennium ushered in a golden era for Pakistani English fiction. Writers like Mohsin Hamid, Kamala Shamsi, and Daniel Muinuddin gained international acclaim. Their stories, while deeply rooted in Pakistani culture and history, resonated with global audiences, transcending geographical boundaries. Hamid's The Reluctant Fundamentalist, Shamsi's Burnt Shadows, and Muinuddin's In Other Rooms, Other Wonders are but a few examples of the vibrant and multifaceted nature of contemporary Pakistani English fiction. To summarize, the evolution of Pakistani English fiction is a tale of resilience, diversity, and artistic brilliance. From the poetry of the early days to the globally acclaimed novels of the 21st century, the journey has been steeped in the unique cultural and historical tapestry of Pakistan. This rich literary tradition, while deeply rooted in its own cultural context, continues to engage with universal themes, making Pakistani English fiction a significant contributor to the global literary landscape. Whether it is the exploration of post-colonial realities, the complexities of identity and migration, or the nuances of everyday life, Pakistani English fiction offers a nuanced and insightful perspective on the human condition. A journey through this literary landscape is indeed a journey through the heart and soul of Pakistan. And with that, we come to the end of our exploration today. But remember, every end is but the start of a new beginning, much like the stories that continue to emerge from the vibrant world of Pakistani English fiction.